So I woke up today and I felt like fighting. So is what we're going to talk about today is this whole premium Discord drama and BS that's out there. So here's my thing. Look at every single influencer or day trader in the space. Almost every single one of them has a premium Discord. And now I'm seeing videos of check out this $20,000 trading setup I just built. Brother, it's from the Discord premium that you're upcharging people. And there's also a trader that I like that just is getting ripped apart. He's like, check out this new $50,000 trading suite that I built. And the top comments are like, Discord members, look what you just bought this guy. And I made an announcement in my Discord yesterday that I have a new strategy coming out, the QC trend strategy, which is actually just the indicator that's already been out to everybody for free. I'm turning it into a strategy, which will also be for free. And you don't have to be part of my OnlyFans Discord. I mean, my premium Discord, because it's a pay to watch thing. So I'm on attack mode because there's no value being provided in the trading space outside of what I'm doing for the level that we charge. You get 30 days for free and then $9.99 a month after that, like $10. Some of these guys are charging almost $350 a month for their premium Discord so you can watch them trade live. So first things first, our Discord link that is free. There is no premium, there's no pay to see this section of our Discord anywhere is in the description. There's over 6,000 people in there. I'll quickly show you that as well, just so you know. I'm not trying to get you to click a link and lying to you. You can see right here, 6,037 members. And this is what I'm talking about right here. QC Trend Strategy. This is what I'm going to show you. It's coming out on August 9th. It's free for 30 days. After that, it's $9.99 a month. You get the indicator, which is out right now. You can use it right now. And the strategy is coming out August 9th. Everything you're about to see is back tested on a 70/30 walk forward Python engine over 365 days with level 2 tick data. Then I said, because I woke up fighting, where else do you get that for $9.99? Nowhere. Everyone's selling you a premium Discord so you can watch them trade and try to copy it live. It's not a strategy, it's pay to watch me. There's another platform that's pay to watch. It's an OnlyFans for day traders. It's a better way to explain a premium Discord. And they're a bunch of bums. Anyways, back to the matter at hand. This is the QC trend strategy. And you can see right here, it's having entries and exits. And I'm going to show you the back tested results over the last 365 days. This right here will be available to you. You don't have to pay extra for it. $11,284.50 over the last 365 days with a drawdown of $910.50 and almost 72% win rate and a profit factor of 1.373. I'll very quickly just drop down. This is going to be a short, quick. It's just don't pay for stupid stuff. P&L over 90 days, $6,642. Drawdown 814. Profitable trades, win rate 71%. Profit factor 1.69. Last 30, if you were running this, one contract only. $2,000 on your P&L, $579 drawdown, and almost 70% win rate. Profit factor of 1.638. Now that's MNQ on the 3-minute time frame. Let me show you MGC on the same time frame. Also, while I have this up, look at this right here. These are just firing. Look at that. 5-minute preset, take profit. Man, we've had a good day. Nothing but wins this morning. MGC 3-minute time frame, last 365 days. Total P&L $12,007. Drawdown $2,312. You have to manage this on a 50K prop firm if that's how you're running it. Profitable trades win rate 77%. Profit factor 1.423. Over the last 90 days, $5,943 on the P&L. Drawdown 763. Profitable trades 85.52% over 145 trades. Profit factor 2.219. Last 30 days is unreal. $2,691 on the P&L. Drawdown $431. 90% win rate. Profit factor of 3.688. You don't have to pay to sign up to my premium Discord OnlyFans to get numbers like this. You can just sign up on a 30-day trial, get access to this after August 9th. You'll be added to it within 30 minutes of signing up. It's on a system. So as soon as you sign up and enter in your TradingView username, within 30 minutes of entering that, you are added to this and you can set it up to automate or manually trade it. You can use Ghost, which is my automation platform that I built. I'm a platform and software builder. I am not a premium Discord watch me trade live. I build things so they can be automated so you have more time in your life while your trading is successful, you can go live your life and just know that this is taken care of on the back end. You don't have to worry about, is Aaron live on Discord right now so I can try to one click copy his trades from a signal and a live stream that's most likely delayed. So you're at a loss no matter what. That's my rant. I'll die on that hill. Premium Discords are an OnlyFans for day traders who aren't pretty enough to take their shirt off.